Hello, friends. Every good thing has its time. Times change, needs change. Our old Parliament House today became the part of history. From now onwards, it will be known as Samvidhan Sadan. So let us turn some of its pages. Hi, I am Rajesh Kumar Jha. If you find this video informative, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. The old Parliament House was designed by British architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker during the year 1912 and 13. However, the foundation stone of the building was laid only in 1921 by Prince Arthur, and the building was completed in 1927. It was the then Viceroy Lord Irwin who inaugurated the building on 18th January 1927. The building, during its long journey, served as the seat of Imperial Legislative Council, Constituent Assembly of India, and later the Parliament of India. And last but not least, how can we forget one of the great sons of Mother India, Shahid Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh and his associate Batukeshwar Dutt threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly, later known as the Lok Sabha, on April 8, 1929, against the passage of the Public Safety Bill and the Trade Disputes Bill. If wanted, both could have easily escaped, but they got themselves arrested. Later, the British government tried Bhagat Singh along with Rajguru and Sukhdev in the Lahore Conspiracy Case, and the then British court awarded all of them death penalty. So that's all today. If you found this video informative, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. We shall soon meet. Till then, have a nice time.